Henan, Kemer Commercial Freezer Company Limited is a modern commercial freezer enterprise integrating production, research and development, design and sales. The company was founded in 2003, the existing staff of more than 100 people, the annual output of more than 300,000 units, covering all kinds of refrigerator products. The company's marketing network covers all major central cities in the country and has established a comprehensive service system of sales, installation and after-sales, and its products are exported to more than 20 countries such as the United States, Britain, Australia, New Zealand, Italy. The company focuses on the production and sales of catering air cooling equipment, commercial kitchen pillarless refrigerators, glass display cabinets, cake cabinets, acid discharge cabinets, wine cabinets, beverage cabinets, flower cabinets, duct dry cabinets and various custom